I no fit guess.
You go get.
I no fit even crack my brain.
Oh, you say waiting.
Yeah, they go get.
So what's your name?
My name is Fortunate.
Fortunately, please, I will ask you a question. If you get the correct answer, I will give you 500 naira now. Yes, if you get the correct answer,
The
I will give
correct
you
answer,
500
yes.
naira. So the question goes like this: which country answer the same name with animal?
With animal. Which country they answer the same name
Answer the
with
same name with
animal?
animal.
This is ridiculous. Just
China.
China.
May the Lord deliver you in Jesus' name.
Second chance. Let me give you
Okay,
second
let's
chance. Which
Hello, sir.
country?
Hello, sir.
Which country?
Hello, sir.
You get the
Are you,
correct
are you,
answer.
are you mad?
Just go ahead. Which
I said
which
country
country?
answer the same name with animal? My name is Ashawo Senator. We are baby speaker comedy. What's your name?
My name is Charity.
It's Happy Sunday. How are you doing?
Best wishes.
Are you starting video?
The question go like this. Which country answer the same name with animal? If you
Which
got the correct
country
answer, I'll give you 500
answer the
naira.
same name with animal?
With animal.
Just think of which country answer the same name with animal. 5K, I will make.
Let me give you second chance.
Just give me the. Just think again.
Say I'm not, I
Just
can't,
recall
I
your
didn't
memory.
hear you. Network for this side bad, bro. You say waiting.
Answer anything.
If you just get the question correctly,
I
I will
no
make.
fit.
I will
no
make
fit guess. I no. Give another
10K.
person.
I will 10K for you. 10K transaction. Which country? Just try.
I
Just
no fit guess. I no fit even guess.
You get the correct answer, I'll give you 5,000.
You don't want?
I will give you 10K. Just which country answer the same name with animal?
I no fit guess. I no fit even crack my brain.
Yeah, they will.
Okay, no right to heck and jump. Okay, wisdom. The question go like this. Which country answer the same
Same
name
name
with animal?
You get the question correctly.
I wan carry the money wey I carry come for house.
Ah,
I no wan
I
carry am
beg,
go
we no wan carry the money go now.